Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm about to show you how you can add a background behind the text in Capcut piece. So we have text, but we need to add a background behind our text. So it's pretty simple, so let's jump right into the video and make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. So what you have to do, let's first grab our text. From here, let's grab it, drag it onto the timeline, and now select our text and let's go here. Where is our text? All right here, how to browser. And if I scroll down, or if I just move with the mouse, hold and then drag all the way down, here we have background, enable background. Okay, click on it, turn off, turn on, turn off, turn on, turn off, turn off, turn on. And now select color, white. We have white here, no white. Let's go with green, and we have green, and we can also add stroke, so it looks even more, you know, what's the right word? It's more evident. No, that's not even a word, I think. The text, yeah, is more prominent. You can see it very easily now because we have the background. So yeah, just don't forget, that's what you have to do. Just click on turn off background and then choose color, and you can also add stroke, and you can also add shadow here. Okay, so I hope this video helped you. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Thank you for watching and take care.